Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the charger so no current is present. This prevents shorts when you remove the back cover. Next, flip the Chromebook and remove visible screws with a Phillips #00, placing them in order on tape or a tray so each screw returns to its hole. Once done, pry open the plastic clips gently with a spudger around the edges. Don't force them. The shells are fragile. Make sure to disconnect the battery connector before touching internal components to avoid damage. With the back cover off, identify the battery pack and observe how the cable routes to the motherboard so you can replace it the same way. Remove the mounting screws holding the battery, set them aside, then address any clips or adhesive. Use a plastic pick or isopropyl alcohol sparingly to loosen stubborn glue. Once the pack is free, lift it just enough to access the connector and carefully unplug it from the board by pulling the housing, not the wires. This prevents pins from bending and preserves the connector integrity. Place the new battery in the bay aligned exactly like the old one, then fasten the mounting screws to the same torque, snug but not over tight. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring the orientation matches the original and the connector clicks into place. Reinstall the back cover and all screws, plug in the charger, and power on. Once booted, verify charging and battery status in system settings if readings look off. Calibrate by charging to 100%, then discharging to around 5% and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.